American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. Today we're going to do a startup demonstration, fly, and drive-by video of our 2015 Ford F-750 6.7 liter Cummins 6-speed manual, factory AC, under CDL 25999 GVWs. This unit has been fully serviced, inspected by ALTEC in February. Brand new rims and tires. We offer equipment financing, and we also offer low boy shipping to all 48 states. So check out the tires. Tires are brand new, no recaps, ACOLA rims. Like I said, this truck has just been inspected by ALTEC with the dielectric and ANSAL yearly. Now let's go ahead and do a startup after we show the engine. There you go, factory AC compressor, brand new belts, filters, all fluids. This. Now, all right, now we'll go ahead and engage the clutch for our PTO. Push in the clutch, pull the PTO cable. There we go. Now we'll go ahead and perform putting our outriggers out. All points are greased. It's fresh grease on our outriggers. Let's go ahead and do a flying demonstration. Now we'll go ahead and lift up the dump. Clean Southern unit, rust free. Like I mentioned before, fully serviced, brand new rims and tires, no recaps. We're gonna go ahead and do our drive-by demonstration. Again, this is American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida, 33021. We do offer financing, equipment financing, and shipping. If you'd like to get in contact with us, you could either call Frank Rubio at 786-307-3304, or you can call Joe Rubio at 954-639-1468. We'll go ahead and do our drive-by demonstration next.